Welcome back. If you've ever been surprised by Telegram suddenly playing audio when you lift your phone to your ear, you're not alone. That feature is called Raise to Listen, and while it can be convenient, it's not for everyone. In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to turn it off in just a few simple steps. First, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, tap on the menu icon in the top corner. This is the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Once you tap it, a side panel will slide out with several options. From there, tap on Settings. This is where you can control all your Telegram preferences, including notifications, privacy, and chat behavior. Now, inside Settings, look for Chat Settings and tap on it. This section controls how your messages, media, and interactions behave while you're using the app. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Media and Sound. This is where Telegram groups together options related to audio and media playback. Here you'll see the Raise to Listen option. By default, it's usually turned on. Simply tap the toggle switch next to it to turn it off. Once it's disabled, Telegram will no longer automatically play voice messages when you raise your phone to your ear, and that's it. You've successfully turned off Raise to Listen on Telegram. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you prefer more control over when your audio plays. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tips and tutorials to get the most out of your apps.